I'm Jeff Barnhart, founder and executive director of ICMA. And ICMA is proud to announce that the 2019 Card Manufacturing and Personalization EXPO is returning to its roots as the industry's only card-focused event. The Expo will celebrate cards as how the world transacts, from gift and loyalty cards to identification and financial. It's all about the card. This one-of-a-kind conference will feature expert presentations, valuable networking opportunities, and an exhibition hall with vendors from across the industry and around the world. Join us from March 31st to April 3rd at the Omni Orlando Resort at Championsgate in Florida. Visit ICMA.com to register today, and stay tuned for future Expo videos about special incentives for early registration, as well as our keynote speaker, educational session topics, the Elan Awards, and much, much more.